Ever feel a little exposed with your name plastered all over your PayPal transactions? Let's fix that. First things first, head over to the PayPal website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear or cog located near the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Okay, now you're in the settings menu. On this page, you'll need to find the section related to your profile information. It's often labeled something like Profile Settings, Account Details, or simply Profile. Click on that. Here's the key. Within your profile settings, look for a section related to your business information, even if you're not running a formal business through PayPal. You should see a field called Business Name. If you don't have a business name already, there will likely be a prompt to create a business profile or similar. If you do, look for an Edit option, usually represented by a pencil icon, next to your current name. Click that Edit icon. Now, in the business name field, enter the name you want displayed on your PayPal transactions instead of your full name. A great option is to use your initials followed by your last name. For example, if your name is John Smith, you could use J. Smith. Or if you are still uncomfortable with having part of your name shown, you can also create any unique business name you like, such as JS Design. This method does not require you to verify a real business. It simply changes what appears on your transactions. After you've entered your desired name, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save, Update, or Confirm button, usually located at the bottom or top of the editing section. Click it to apply the changes. And that's it. Now, instead of your full name appearing on transactions, your chosen business name will be displayed. This can offer a significant layer of privacy without requiring a full business account. Check one of your transactions after a few moments to make sure it shows the correct name.